Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sierra to Cici. I'm coming to you with something a little new, especially new for me. A lot of you have been in my comments talking about that you like my makeup, and you wanted like a makeup tutorial. So here you go. This is gonna be the makeup tutorial. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do makeup professionally or whatever. This is just what I do when I'm getting ready or putting on makeup and all of this type of stuff. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So one of the first things that I do, I like to tone my skin. So I've already cleaned it, cleaned my face. I have very oily skin, so I've already cleaned it, and one thing that I try to do is just add some toner to it. So the toner that I like to use is just apple cider vinegar mixed with just a little bit of water. I put it in this old spray mist bottle that I had, and just put it on a cotton ball and just tone and clean your skin, because we always want a good base when we're starting out. Oh, I think I'm moving my contact. So yeah, so we always want a pretty good base. I don't add any oils or any moisturizers or anything like that to my face. I used to, but now I just try to keep it just a blanket, because my skin, it will oil up like no other. And I don't want to put extra oil on top of that either. I'm going to apply this Poreless Putty primer all over my face. This will give you a very smooth foundation base. Next, we have the black Opal finishing powder. I believe this is in medium deep. This is going to actually help with my oily skin. I'm just applying this all over the top coat of that primer. So y'all know what's next. Yep, gotta get those brows right. So this is going to be the Absolute New York in the color Smoke, and I'm just applying this all over my brows, trying to get some shape here, and then we're gonna end up cleaning it up with some concealer. This is our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. So I'm basically going to clean up our brows, because you know they look a little, y'all see it. But we're just going to clean it up, get some good shape back into it. And make sure that they're matching, or at least twins, they're in the family. You know what I'm saying. As a note, when you're cleaning up your brows, make sure you press it into the skin. Don't rub it across, but press in that concealer. That'll give you more of a flawless look when you start applying your foundation. See, I told you have to trust the process. Those brows are coming together. So now I'm going to use the Juvias Place chocolates, and I'm just applying that all over that crease area, trying to just darken that area. Now we're going to blend that out in the same palette of the chocolates, and just blending that color out so we'll have more of a flawless finish. Y'all know what time it is. Time to cut that crease, boo. So I'm just applying that same concealer in Toffee, LA Girl Pro, all across the lid here. It doesn't have to be neat, but you know, y'all can kind of get the gist. We just want to apply that all over the lid so we can cut that crease. One thing I like to do is just kind of pat it down just a little bit, because you know that concealer is a little wet. So just pat it down, and you may want to apply a little bit of finishing powder to it just so it won't crease up on you. So we're back in the chocolates again. We're just going to smoke out that outer corner. I don't really know what I was doing with this color. Maybe I was trying to do an ombre look, so just kind of ignore that. But yeah, so we're going to apply this NYX glitter glue so we can apply our glitter pigment, which this is going to be in JLARUE Heavenly. I really, really love this pigment. It just makes your eyes pop. It just makes everything just so glamorous. Next, we're going to just wing it out just a little bit with this Jet Black liquid eyeliner. Love this. Love this. Now we have the Juvias Place Matte Foundation in the color Malawi 230. So I'm just going to apply that all over my skin. I kind of like this color, but it also gives me like an orangey tint. Still trying it out though. A quick tip when you're applying your foundation, make sure you press it into your skin. That's how you get more of a flawless look, airbrushed look as well. We're going back in with our LA Girl Pro in that same toffee color that we've been using. So I'm just applying that in the highlighted areas here and on the bridge of my nose. Again, I'm just pressing that concealer into my skin. If you want more of a highlighted look, let it sit there a little bit, and also apply some of your finishing spray. That'll give you more of a brighter look if that's what you're looking for. Going back in with our black opal that's mixed with some Revolution Pro Banana Deep. Absolutely love this color. Just be sure to press it into your skin. Listen, if you don't know anything else about me, baby, you must know I love my bronzer. Definitely in the Makeup Revolution Pro and Enrobe. I'm just applying this all over my forehead and to my cheeks. I also start to carve out my nose with this, but I absolutely love this color. My face is kind of round, so this is a way that I can kind of sculpt it. And you know, bring that life into it, baby. Now we need to wake up them cheeks. I'm actually using the Juvias Place the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette in the color Toby. So I'm just applying that all over my cheeks just to give me kind of a warm color. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing here. I was trying to get the lighting right and just trying to see how my makeup actually looks. So, child, just ignore this piece. Going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Finishing Spray, just apply that all over my face to set my makeup. I'm also going to press it into the skin. This gives you more of that flawless look again. Like I say, you always want to press your makeup in, don't rub it across your face. I'm just applying Toby again all over my cheeks just to give us more of that warm look. Next, we're just going to go on with some eyeliner. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's just in jet black. Nothing special about it. And then next, we're going to be going in with our Juvias Place Masquerade palette. This is going to be in the color Dahlia. It's going to give us that pop of blue. Just kind of bring out our eyes a little bit. You know how we do. We want to get it, you know, we want to pull it all together. Get it cute. Get it popping. Next, we're going to be applying highlighter. This is going to be Black Radiance highlighter in Gilded. Okay guys, so I applied one lash. So you can see just the dramatic change that an eyelash can actually do for you. It can turn you from, I don't know about this, to, you know what, that's kind of cute. Cute, it's giving it to me. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on off camera because I have a time putting on lashes. Okay, so both lashes are on. Cute. So I'm just gonna apply, to open up my eye a little bit. And this is Juvias Place Masquerade palette. I guess this is Geyser color right here. So I'm going to try to list everything below in the description box so you'll know what I used. Just to brighten up this space, open up the eye just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Start with a brown lip pencil. Nothing special about it. Got it from the beauty supply store, but I believe it's Decay and dark brown. So again, we're back with our Black Radiance highlighter. Just applying that to my Cupid's bow into my nose just to get it popping a little bit more. I'm not sure what this color is, but it's from the Juvias Place Wahala Mini Lip Duo. It's the one that's more of the beigey color, not the pink tint. This was more of a matte look, so I wanted to be a little glossy, so I applied NYX lip gloss and cinnamon roll off camera. Boom, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was definitely fun making this video. Like I stated before, definitely not a makeup artist. I do not do this for a living. This is just what I do, like when I'm going out or when I just want to play in some makeup or something like that. So I hope all of you guys enjoyed this. And oh, one more thing before I go. This unit is the Outre Isabella unit. I recently reviewed this in my last video actually. So make sure you guys check out that video. I try to put it somewhere, or maybe I put it in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was definitely fun, and until next time, guys, be safe and bye-bye.